Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making s'mores brownies. So I'm just opening the mix and I'm gonna pour it in a bowl. Then I'm gonna add in 2 eggs and half a cup of oil. So I seen this recipe online, so I was like, let me give it a try and see how it come out. After I added the oil, I added some water, and now I'm just mixing everything up. Okay, once I was done mixing, I went ahead and got a foil pan, sprayed it with some vegetable oil spray, added the graham crackers on the bottom of the tray. Now it's time to add the mix on top of the graham crackers, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Once it's done cooking in the oven, I'm gonna put some marshmallows on top. So I'm just making sure I put enough marshmallows on top, and then I'm gonna crush up some graham crackers and add that on top. Wow, this is looking really good right now. Can't wait to try it. So now I'm going to be adding some pieces of Hershey chocolate on top. Now that that's done, it's time to put it in the oven so everything can melt. And this is how it looks. So I'm going to be cutting a piece so I could try it. Don't forget, make sure you hit that subscribe button.